Hi! Okay, we are going to practice with some of our sight words today. We did this a couple days ago too, but it's helpful to see these words often and get to read them often. So last time you did pyramid writing with your sight words. We're going to do the pyramid writing again. I really want you to focus on this word at the bottom right here, this word, like. Like is such an important word for you because it kind of doesn't make sense when you do it with your sounds, right? L, I, and k. And then there's this E at the end. Why is that E there? But we're going to use this word as our memorization. We're going to really zone in on this word like. So let's do our pyramid writing for all of our words today. You can do it on a whiteboard. You can do it on a piece of paper. You can write it in flour, like put a plate full of flour and then write it with your finger. That's good too. Any way that you want to write these words is okay with me. Make sure you check with your mom and dad. Don't tell them, my teacher told me to pour the flour out on this plate. Okay, so start with I. When you do pyramid writing, you write the first word, the first letter, and then the next letter. So I just has one letter. So we're just going to write the word, the letter I. Then for can, start with C, the first letter. Then underneath you do C-A, and underneath that is C-A-N. And then you can move to the next word. It's okay if you erase your whiteboard after each word. That's totally fine. But remember, be sure to practice this word like at the end. Have a great rest of your day.